Student Fun Society, we can be playing. We can be playing. I don't know. I've got a sword in my hand. Yes, I am. I can't win against a feather. I think I can beat you now, Feather. Please? Oh, you win. You won! Well done. I cannot beat you. You beat me in one hit, I'll tell you that. See? Beat me easy. Easy, beat me. Wait, you can get past. Okay, I'm gonna have to get 3 wins. Let's go 3 wins. That's actually quite helpful. Me? Oh yeah, I do need to talk because I am doing a video. Student fans, I'm so sorry about that. I'm not talking. Doing something at least. This was eat the feather now? Or not? Please. I can. And I slice this open. I've got 5 wings. Yay! Give me a cat. Can I get a cat? At least I got the best pet in that egg. That's amazing. And I slice the feather open. Perfect. And I got a dog. I'm getting such... No, I'm not getting cats. How annoying. Very annoying. Feather, please. Let me just think for a second. No. Yes, finally. Just buy another one because I can. It's great. Should I merge my pet? Here, merge. Sorry, I'm writing crap. 6%, okay. I don't know. No, I don't. Yeah, I did. Tree Stump, I know you're gonna beat me, but look, a tree stump can be a person, can chop me down, and then to be able to chop him down. Also train, let's go on to my stuff. Snap. 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 Can I challenge Mr. Stump now? I can! Yeah, my gifts are different. Do you want me to show you how to train? 1 second.
Do I need to press auto train?
No, you don't. So look, you can go over here and get your little hammers up. If you complete. Or if you go to auto, you can get your sharpness up. And then if you want to get your strength up, you press strength, and then you can do some custom blueberries. Oh yeah.
Strength?
I've got 1,000 strength.
No, you've got 1,000
Oh, look. One's cuter.
Oh.
I'm gonna get my sharpness up.
And then I'll need
The feather. I don't know. It took me quite a long time to get him as well. Right now I can get the tree jump.
How much you got? 2,000.
Can I get the Can I get this? I don't know what this is. No, I'm still on tree jump. I like cutting blueberries. I've got 6. Yeah. I'm against the tree jump because potion and a green potion. I really don't know what that's for. I really need my sharpness to come up higher. No. How did you get to the inside? to you then. Oh, I just got 200 wins. Hey. I'm gonna open a bag leg.
Oh my god, what an epic.
Yeah. My best, I don't know. I think it's either a wonder pig.
No, go back to your pets. I've got that one and a cow. I've got that cow. And I've got... Oh, can I use that? Okay. I need... Give me
19. Zero times.
How much?
I'm getting arm right now though. I'm rebirthing.
Yeah,
I know, I don't care. I'm happy that I got nothing.
no. You look at this.
I've still got my pets, I've still got my wins.
Why am I already I just need to... I reckon I can beat this now.
Yeah?
I haven't even won.
Look at that man's pets, look at them! These are massive! Look at my screen.
I'm going to the tree.
They are massive. I could beat it, but I don't think I can anymore. I can beat Tree Stump.
I got a pig.
How do you get a key?
I don't know. I'm not 100% sure actually. Oh, I know.
How?
Got a beast. No, I don't. Wait, what's trails do? Got it. Yeah. I'm keeping the trail. And I've got this one. And then I'm gonna. How much is it? 6 billion?